Hi, I was messing around with my 486 test build, and I wanted to change this serial port for the mouse with this one that has a better, cleaner bracket, since I'm not using the parallel port. So I changed the cables and the mouse wasn't working with this one. I test all the pins and they all have connections from one end to the other, so I couldn't figure out what was going on. And the thing is that the wiring on this end of this cable was different from this one, which is the one that was working. I don't know why the reason that is. Maybe the standard changed later on newer motherboards. I have no idea. So I'm gonna show you what the wiring looks like between the two, and I'm gonna fix this one and use it on this build. I know that I can just change the bracket and switch it between the two, but I still wanna repair this one and use it here. Let me show you what it looks like and compare the two. As you can see, the one that works, which is this one, the one that doesn't work, it's this one. You see, everything's lined up straight, let's put it that way so it's easier to understand. When this one, it's more like an X pattern. So let's do that and test the cable and see if it works with that change. Okay, so now both cables have the same wiring in the same order. So now we should have a working mouse with the new cable. I forgot to connect the mouse, so let's go to the folder again. And now it should work. And there we have it. Alright, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you. See you next time.